Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a quick little video to tell you what I've been doing of late. My battery pack, this chip here, has died due to that pesky port right there. So I had another battery pack and it was the same KP rating for this battery pack as all those batteries there. So what I did is I took this little chip here and grafted it onto this battery pack, and now, as I'm showing you, let me get my fingers out of the way, I am now going to be 3D printing this. Sorry about the shakiness because I'm doing this by camera phone. It's a battery holder for the circuitry in the battery. This is what I'm going to be printing off to house the new battery pack and circuit board. So just a little brief video. If you are going to be doing this, let me know in the video comments if you're going to be using similar setup, and I'll make this viable by Thingiverse and to let you use this. So this is a 4-pack cell. Let me move it away from my calendar. As you can see there's 4 ion lithium cells. There's the little chip. As you can see there, and it's been grafted on. Alright guys, this was a little short video to let you know what I was doing in the background. I'm going to be doing this. So if you like this, let me know. If you want to borrow the battery design pack for 3D printing, also let me know. Subscribe. Cheers. Thank you.